everyone, and welcome to today's video. Today I have a clean with me cleaning inspiration motivation video. So I hope you are ready to get some things done, whatever it is that you may just need to get done today, like your normal day to day, or something that you've been putting off. I hope this is inspiring and encouraging. Anyone who's new, my name is Kirsty. It's wonderful to have you. Anyone who's returning, it's wonderful to have you back. I hope everyone is doing well. We are doing quite well. We've had a lot of things happen this last month. Thanksgiving in America here, Christmas. Now we've just had New Year's. We had some family things. We've had the kids had colds more than once. So anyway, but everyone is doing well now. I hope this year, we're heading off to a new year, that this year coming forward is just going to be a wonderful year full of good things, hopeful things, blessings, and great things. We're hopefully going to South Africa the end of this month, trying to organize everything for that. Thank you so much for joining me, and let's go get this cleaning done. I can clean different ways, but mostly how I clean is I like to complete one room at a time usually. So I will go into one room, wipe surfaces, do some dusting, make the beds, pick up anything, and then do the floors. Sometimes I will only do all the floors at once. Other times I will do each room as I'm completing it. So I feel like I can mark off some things as completed and not feel like there's just things everywhere and mess everywhere. So if you feel sometimes like you just can't get a hold of things, maybe try cleaning one room at a time, completed, so you feel like you've made some progress. That is encouraging to me. So I do feel like I'm actually making progress and not still sitting for hours and hours cleaning and I haven't even completed one thing. I actually had a lot of washing to get done. I actually had the whole house to clean, although I did not manage to fully video every single room and every single thing that I did. I actually cleaned everything and spent the whole day cleaning. It only really takes the whole day, as anyone with children would know, or young children, that you have to stop and do other things. If I was just cleaning non-stop by myself, it probably wouldn't have taken more than 2 hours, excluding the washing that I had to get done, because you obviously have to rotate the washing machine to the tumble dryer and then fold all of that. But by the end of the day, I actually had done everything, including multiple loads of washing. So I was really felt accomplished, and I definitely got all my steps in. If you have young children especially, and you feel like maybe you just can't get a hold of everything all day, it's not always easy. Sometimes I try to get the kids to play in one area while I try to complete other rooms or areas. I don't always clean all day. It's just unrealistic and can be exhausting. But at the end of each day, I do take time to clean, and I may not get every single thing done, like washing the floors always, but that way it's quite clean and then ready for the next day. So that is something that I do that really makes a difference to start off each day just feeling really great. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got something done as well, and I hope you have a wonderful day, whatever you have planned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.